customizing camera settings on an LG phone. Customizing the camera settings on your LG phone is simple and quick. To see what options are available, first open the camera app. Then tap on the cog/gear icon at the top left. This is Settings. Review the settings available and modify them to your desired choices. Note that options will vary based on phone model and software version. Other settings are Save options, which include photo size, which is the image resolution, Google Lens suggestions, and HDR on or off. Some of the remaining options you may see are Live Photo, which saves a short video with the still image, Cheese Shutter, Tracking Focus, Location Tagging, Grid, and Add Signature for watermarking. Once you have customized the camera settings to suit your needs, you can exit the Settings menu and begin taking pictures. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.